Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and I'm going to be unboxing because I ordered the Roku Streambar. I purchased the Roku Streambar. This is a replacement for the Xbox One X. I traded in, and that'll go up in my bedroom. I basically just watch, TV shows, movies on it. So on the Xbox. So moving to this might be an improvement. We'll see. Something I'm going to test out and then review once I've had enough experience with it. But I use a monitor in the bedroom, so it doesn't have any sound at all. And I wanted something with sound because I was just using a cheap Bluetooth speaker with 1/8 inch in it. And that's how I was getting sound out from the Xbox. So now that this came, it's supposed to be, as you see here, it's the Roku Streambar. It's supposed to be 4K streaming, premium audio, and I do have a 4K monitor in there. It does have a voice remote that controls your TV. I'm not a huge fan of that at all. I'd rather just, have it just be a remote. It is Bluetooth, got Dolby Audio. You can get a subwoofer with this. You can also get rear speakers. I'm not doing any of that. This is just a basic have something that will be streaming in the bedroom. So all the sides of the box, wait till you hear this. You got this side, and so depending upon how you go through and position the box. A little bit about this. Let's see. It also has ARC on it, I believe. Yep, HDMI ARC, optical audio, Bluetooth, USB 2.0. It has a quad-core processor, wireless AC, 14-inch 2.0 bar, and does 60 FPS as well. I think on all there. 4K HDR, 1080p, 720 HD streaming up to 60 FPS. So it's up to, I don't know what that means. If that means on 4K it's 60 or not. It includes a stream bar, a remote, two AAAs, high-speed HDMI cable, optical cable, and power adapter and cable. So that's actually a pretty good setup that Roku actually put in there. So let's actually, here's the back side of it as well. So let's open it up and see. They actually did package. It just comes when I ordered it from Roku Direct, so it just comes with just an outside box. That's it, so nothing special. So this is going to be, the packing in here is going to be what protected the device. So we got that. And it falls out. So it's just a quick start guide. And then looks like they actually packaged it pretty well. So they got, here's the Roku device, and instead of using styrofoam, they actually use just a little paper. So actually I can remove those, and then this little piece comes out, and here you have everything you need. So you have the remote. It's got Netflix, Disney, Hulu, and Sling on there. Probably just what Roku paid for. And then you can put the batteries in the back here. You have the volume on your side. So that's pretty cool. Got your batteries. Power cable to the power adapter. Running out of space on my desk. HDMI and optical. So I'm glad that they actually sent those, because now if this is, I can't remember if it's a 2.0, but at least then you know that you're using the right cable that Roku has tested. And that's it in the box. So this bottom tray just kind of keeps everything in order. Well, I don't have any space. So here is the stream bar. So in the back they got model and serial number, or this is the bottom. Then they have 2 mounting points, and they have a mounting bracket as well. They also have power, you have optical audio, HDMI, USB, and then your, what does it say, reset. And the USB, you can actually get, I believe it's 2.0, and you can get wired connection. That's the one downside to this, is that where, I mean, especially where I have my whole house wired, right? But I like to be able to just plug this in. I'll probably maybe purchase one of their recommended USB to Ethernet ones as well, and go from there. But it's one of those things. Just add it in, Roku. It's simple, and then people that are already set up to be plugged in, they'll always have that connection as well. You have your top, which is just plain, which I'm fine with. That looks good. And then it seems like seems like almost a fabric speaker grill, and with Roku on there as well. So pretty simple overall. It seems like it's a rubber base as well, so it shouldn't scratch up anything. If you set it on, it'll be setting on something, I don't care, that gets scratched up. But this is just a quick unboxing of the Roku Streambar. I'll let you guys know how it works and set it all up here, and in a month or so I will do a review on this to see how it all works out. Let me know if you guys have any questions on this as well. I'll be sure to look at those in the review. And until next time, God bless. Thank you for watching. Thank you for helping out Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.